Tonight, there's a new ruling just in from a federal judge. He says the New Mexico governor is violating constitutional rights with a new ban on the right to publicly carry a firearm in New Mexico's largest city, Albuquerque. CBS's Lana Zak reports on the backlash from both parties.
In New Mexico, gun culture runs deep, so a temporary ban on where to carry them was bound to cause an uproar.
People are angry.
Mark Abramson is a gun shop owner.
I cannot fathom how this is anything other than an attention getter.
The judge's ruling halts Governor Lujan Grisham's 30-day suspension, barring private citizens from carrying firearms on public property in Albuquerque and Bernalillo County, where violent crime rates are especially high. She cited a public health emergency after 3 children were fatally shot recently, including 11-year-old Froilan Villegas, who was killed outside a ballpark last week.
I have to take a tough, direct stand where basically I'm just ignoring the fact that we lost an 11-year-old, another child.
Nationally, firearms are the leading cause of death for children and teens. But the county's Democratic Sheriff, John Allen, feels that the governor's act was unconstitutional.
There's not enough law enforcement to go around and enforce this order when we're supposed to be going after criminals on the street and not after law-abiding citizens.
So what are the solutions?
The solutions is multifaceted. You have red flag laws. You implement with your senators and your representatives other laws that they think might help bring down gun violence.
The Catholic Archbishop for the area has counseled families ravaged by gun violence. He supports the temporary measure.
We have to be courageous. We have to do something about this terrible status quo that we're living with in terms of gun violence.
Norah, this divide doesn't fall along traditional party lines. Many of the most public critics were Democrats. I spoke with the governor's office just moments ago. They plan to be back here in court on October 3rd. The governor says she will never stop fighting. Norah?
It's a really interesting story, Lana. Thank you.